So in this video, we are going to talk about the parabola analytical geometry. So parabola is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point, not on the line in the plane. The fixed line is called the directrix of the parabola, and the fixed point is called the focus. Para means for, and bola means throwing. The shape described when you throw a ball in the air. A line through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix called the axis of the parabola. The point of intersection of the parabola with the axis is called the vertex of the parabola. The equation of a parabola is simplest if the vertex is at the origin and the axis of symmetry is along the x-axis or y-axis. The four possible such orientations of parabola are shown below in Figure A to Figure D. In Figure A, if the coefficient of x is positive, so we have here that y squared is equal to 4ax, and the b, if the coefficient of x is negative, we have the y squared is equal to negative 4ax. So in here in the figure C, if the coefficient of y is positive, so x squared is equal to 4ay. And in figure D, if the coefficient of y is negative, we have x squared is equal to negative 4ay. So from the standard equations of the parabolas, we have the following observation. Number one, parabola is symmetric with respect to the axis of the parabola. If the equation has a y squared term, then the axis of symmetry is along the x-axis. And if the equation has an x squared term, then the axis of symmetry is along the y-axis. And when the axis of symmetry is along the x-axis, the parabola opens to the A, right, if the coefficient of x is positive, and B, left, if the coefficient of x is negative. And number 3, when the axis of symmetry is along the y-axis, the parabola opens upwards if the coefficient of y is positive, and downward if the coefficient of y is negative.